for tuning in. I know this is a little bit of a different background. I am on my way to Woodbury. I had done a video a few weeks ago where I was talking about Woodbury, and I asked if you guys wanted to get a view into what it's like there. So I'm headed over there right now to check it out. I'm hoping to be able to show you guys what it looks like, the stock inside some of the luxury stores, and just generally what you can expect there. And just in case some of you aren't familiar with Woodbury, it is one of the premium outlet malls that is just outside of New York City. It's the one that I've been going to the most over the last 10 years or so, and I've been to some other ones in different states like in California and Pennsylvania, but I think this one is the best in terms of the number of luxury brands that are available, and just the proximity to New York City makes it a real hot place for people to come visit. So they tend to have a lot of inventory come through that particular location. And the weather is really nice today, so I'm actually looking forward to it, and I hope to be able to show you a lot. Yay! So we finally made it to Woodbury Premium Outlets, and this is just us driving in and going to the area that I typically like to park around. You'll see the marketplace, I'll highlight it when we go past it, but this is usually where I like to park because I find it to be closer to a lot of the shops that I like to go to. On this day, it was actually really easy for us to find parking. Usually it's really packed. Now there are also designated paid parking lots if you'd rather park there instead. All the buses that bring people from New York. So this is the Welcome Center. I usually anchor between the Market Hall and the Welcome Center to be the area that I like to park at, because it brings me right into the center of a lot of those luxury stores I like to go to. For example, there's the Bottega Veneta right here. There's an Armani right here, and as you keep going down the line, you'll see there's Furla, Bali, Varied. I feel like there aren't as many people here today.
I don't know. It seems like the parking lot was full.
Oh no. Usually it's even more full. You can't get parking, and usually there's a lot more people. After I turn that corner from Saks off 5th, this is where I consider it to be the main strip of high-end luxury brands. Of course, there are some brands that are on other parts of the complex, but this is really where you see Fendi, Laurent, Prada, Chloe, Celine, Dior. They're all concentrated right along this strip until you see Gucci at the end. Making that slight turn from Gucci is also where there are concentration of a lot of stores like Saint Laurent, Givenchy, Loewe, things like that. This is a new location too. They used to be in the strip over there, next to the Dior and stuff. Mm-hmm. They opened up a bigger one. So I hope this helped give you a sense of what it looks like and how you would have to navigate to find the different stores. So many stores. Oh god, this is too heavy.
Get the curl strip.
These are extra 50% off the outlet price. $335.
Extra 50% off?
Yeah, these ones are because I think it's like, and they're getting discontinued or something. These are super cute. I don't know if they have more sizes. Wait, don't mock me.
What, you want to look like Elton John? It's fine. I thought that they didn't have lenses on that one. Let's see.
They do, they're just clear. I feel like these have like utmost potential to like look really cool, but right now I'm not pulling it off right. These all make sense to be here. These are super
Yeah.
like they wouldn't be on the walls. It makes sense that there's overstock and they're here.
These have special price on them.
Yeah, but these were also limited edition stuff that came out. This might be really cute. Cute, that's cool. But not so much.
Trying on St. Laurent leather jacket.
It's probably going to be too small.
How is it?
No pockets.
No place for comfort.
I mean, that's It's got the pocket up here, but like that's not. Oh, it's okay.
Try on the teddy.
Yeah. The men's teddy actually. Apparently they have it in navy in like a thicker, I guess, wool. This is more just like a nylon canvas.
Oh.
This you can't really tell that it's a men's either.
No.
That's how tiny the men's is. I say Laurent, right?
Well, it's Parisian cuts.
The pockets aren't stitched open. I like to usually leave these so that it keeps the integrity of like the design, like your clothes won't sag weird. I asked if that was the last one. They said there was one other one, so I asked if I could try on the other one, assuming that's like fresher because it wasn't necessarily out on display. Oh, and the pockets are opened on this one. That means that one's better to take. So this actually already fits differently. This one fits larger in the shoulders. It feels like it's actually been worn. And you would think luxury brands do a much better job being consistent, but this is why you always have to try on. And sometimes people are like, oh, they want to get like a fresher one, you know, from the back because, you know, you think it's like untouched and less likely for something to be happening to it. But sometimes the one that you tried on, if you liked how that fit, that's the one that you should take because sometimes the clothes will fit differently.
She said yes to the jacket.
Yes. Yes to the jacket.
And you won't believe how much it costs. Price to be revealed later. Stay tuned.
things that are like atrociously wrong with it. Sometimes the piece is going to be worth it with the snag in it, and then you should totally get it. Like this one, like has a little bit here. Like if I really liked it, I'd probably still get it anyway. But some pieces, if it like starts losing the integrity of the piece and it's still not that much discounted, then it's not worth it. But you have to look out for that stuff. Put like exaggerated things on. I know this one. Do you play this?
Yeah.
The last piece I wanted to highlight is the market hall, which they have completely redone, and there are now a lot more food options than there used to be, which I much prefer.